How to fix your PS4 no video signal on TV. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the basics, make sure that your TV is on and set to the correct input. You want to also try a different HDMI port on your TV. If that is not the case, you want to check the specific HDMI cable and use a different one if you have one. Make sure that it is a high-speed HDMI cable. You can also try a different HDMI port by unplugging and reinserting the HDMI cable into another HDMI port on your TV. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and select the TV input source, so HDMI 1, 2, or 3, and then you want to simply hold the power button on your PS4 to restart it. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and work. If it's still not working, then you might need to go to your system software update to check if there are any updates available, or you could simply contact their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.